The doorbell camera captured the moment when this DoorDash driver arrived to deliver food to a customer, and shortly after a heated argument broke out between them.
I'm sorry?
I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize. Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
That's a 15, 20-minute drive.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes.
She seemed dissatisfied, believing that she had traveled quite a long distance to deliver the order, yet was only tipped $8.
How much is the tip?
You gave an $8 tip.
What the hell are you looking for?
Okay, I'm going to bring the food back. I'm going to bring the food back. Okay.
In the end, she refused to deliver the order and left.